lot of time has passed since the last time I filmed, but we ended up not going to 412 today, and we're actually going to a car meet instead.
Excuse me, sir.
What's up, bro? Why'd you park over here? I wanted to go to 412, but it ended up being way too late when we got out. What's up, bro? How are you?
You're out here. You want this, boy? You VIP?
E36s, bro. Must be nice. We're just cruising down this alley, and look how bright this shop is. What is it, like a detail shop? That's probably what it is, huh? Bro, it looks like a showroom. I want to park in there. But we made it. There's a lot of freaking cars, and I think they're trying to be like super organized, and like everybody has a specific parking, and I have no idea where the freak to park. I'm just gonna pull up right by that Lambo over there. We parked right. S2K crew. I guess we're part of S2K crew now. The 4-stars do look good though. I miss these wheels, to be honest. It's funny, a lot of people actually wanted me to keep these wheels instead of the polished ones. But after the E46 is done, I want to build a set of polished wheels for sure. Let's start on right-hand drive. RX-7 thing. Oh my god, the Supra's here. We saw this thing at the other meet, like last video. I freaking love that car. It's probably one of my favorite cars. A crazy wide body Lexus. There's a shitload of cars, bro. That's a really clean E36. That thing's like mint. That's beautiful. Guys, I really miss my E36. I really don't drive it. It's just been too hot and it has no air conditioning. I need to get it fixed. Bruh, is that GT3? This shop's badass. I want to put these lights in my garage, dude. Damn. 3 Aventadors here. I think that was an SV too. This is the end goal right here, guys. I think in a row, I want to get a GTR, a Huracan, and then my last car would be a Aventador. That's the end goal. This is the SV though, and it's in red. Oh shit. Who ordered Domino's, bro? Oh shit. This is the same dude that we cruised with last vlog. And then the Mustang from the last video too. You bought your GTR too? Both of them?
My wife drove.
Dang. We brought both of them out. From the last video? I'll buy it. Look, another M3. Dang, I'm not the only one. Look at this. God damn, bro. Sick ass food. Bro, it's all the supercars just pulled up. What? An NSX? God damn, dude, that shit is sick. Look at this plate. Another M3. Damn, that shit is clean, dude. Does this have a V8 in it? Bro, what is in this thing? Or is it the vet that I heard? That shit got a big tire. E46 M3. Got a vet. What is this? Aventador? Another Aventador. God damn, dude. Bro, this is the end goal, guys. An Aventador. That shit sounds sick. That shit is wide. Damn. Dude, there's literally a group of Porsches. That shit got 4 stars, dude. I've never seen 4 stars on like a Porsche. That's sick. Damn. Bro, that shit's so loud. Damn, dude. Oh, that's a Performante, bro. This shit's perfect, dude. Bruh. This GTR is so clean with Tiffany wheels. Bro, there's so many people here. No, this is actually insane, dude. Look how many fucking people there are. What the? Sick. You guys see the attention that an Aventador gets you? Everybody's looking at it. Look who pulled up. Hey, we're matching, fool.
No.
Bro, this shit is crazy. I can't believe Joseph pulled up. He never goes to car meets. It's been a couple hours, but now everybody's leaving. It's actually very hard to film here because there's so many people. It's so dark too. It's hard to see all the cars, but this is a rollout. And I heard there's a bunch of cops waiting for us to leave, so I hope I don't get a ticket. All the Supras. 2 of them, dude. Bro, I don't know which one I like better. I like the slick, but that shit's hard. Damn. I love the NSX.
That was very nice. I think like that Supra though. Cage in the back.
The cops are here. Dude, that shit slam. Bro, look at this truck.
It's electric.
That shit is so small. Look at he squeezes in between them. That's funny, dude. That's so sick. But we're about to go grab some food. It should be a cool little cruise. We got Alex with the GTR, Joseph with the M3, and then Gustavo with the Genesis. Let's go. And then Heliodoro. Bro, who stepped on my lip at the car meet? Dude, someone... I wonder if someone really stepped on it or I hit something on the freeway.
Somebody stepped on it, bro. That looked like a girl here.
Dude, I really think someone stepped on it. There was so many people huddled up by my car. No way. Well, that sucks. I just noticed that right now when we got off the car. I gotta get a new lip now. It's not funny, bro. Wow, dude. I'm honestly so bummed by this. It's literally perfect spot for like a heel. Somebody stepped on it perfectly at the car meet. We saw it too. Like there was so many people standing like this close to it, and from afar it looked like someone was legit stepping on it. And they were right. Someone really did step on it.
I told you, boy.
Oh, that sucks. I guess we gotta get a new lip. It's so ugly. It's like legit cracked all the way. I wanted a new one anyways because this carbon fiber was kind of fading. So we're probably gonna have to get a new one very soon. But that car meet was pretty cool. Was it cool or not? It was a lot of people though. A lot of freaking people. Dang. That's what it feels like to have a GTR page? Dude, I want this shit so bad. What do I say when
Vlogger in progress.
But I think I'm gonna end the video right here.
I think I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you smash that like button and make sure subscribe and comment, share, and we'll see you on the next one.
I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. I didn't cover it, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Comment down below if you guys are kind of bored of the car meet stuff. I've been going to a lot of car meets recently, but if you guys are bored of it, I'll probably like stop doing some car meets. But if you guys like it, comment down below and let me know. That's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe to your boy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drown in my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thinking.